Hello everyone, I'm Irena. Welcome to render.camp. I'm thrilled to introduce you our exclusive Black Friday bundle. In this video, I'll show you everything included in this incredible offer: lessons, course files, and so much more. Let's dive in. First thing first, this bundle featured highlights from our 2024 beginners courses. Over past year, we ran 3 amazing courses, and this package combines all of them just for you. Let me show you what you'll get. All materials will be accessible in your personal account on render.camp website. Depending on the bundle you choose, you can unlock access to 1, 2, or 3 courses. Here how it works. We recorded live lessons from our beginners courses and added pre-recorded lessons to create a smooth and comprehensive learning experience. These additional lessons cover essentials like workspace customization, K-tools, helpful information across various topics, different modifiers, how to work with line, editable poly, Corona render, base information about lighting, and material editor. So it's perfect for anyone starting from the very beginning. Let's take a quick look at the courses. Course 1. You'll get recorded lessons. They will be available for all 3 courses and live sessions. These are renders you'll create on this course. Course 2. Live sessions. And those renders you'll do on this course. And the third one. All the renders were created in Corona Renderer. Each course is unique, offering entire different projects and challenges to help you develop a versatile skill set. What will you learn? These lessons cover essential 3D skills: building scene from scratch, extensive modeling practice, scene optimization, setting up different camera angles, lighting and shadow composition, color harmony, and of course, material creation. These courses are perfect for beginners and intermediate alike. Whether you are completely new to 3ds Max, have tried it but found it overwhelming, or even if you are somewhere familiar with the software but lack confidence due to chaotic knowledge, this bundle will be just perfect for you. Those courses are structured to organize your skills, build confidence, and provide a clear understanding of how to approach different projects. By the end, you won't just know how to add sun to your scene. You'll know how to create a mood that draws people to your designs. You'll get up to 36 recorded sessions plus 50 pre-recorded lessons, each with detailed step-by-step explanation. In the course file, you'll find everything you need for each course, including hotkeys, files for all the lessons, such as plans, models, and textures. Don't miss it out. This Black Friday sale available only 2 days, November 28 and 29. Stay tuned in our Telegram and WhatsApp channel for the purchase link. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Thank you for joining, and I can't wait to see the incredible work you'll create with these tools and techniques. Let's create something amazing together. See you soon.